Here we have a 2019, it's a Ford F150 with a 5.0, good old Coyote motor. It's got a good aggressive tone. We just put a nice catback true dual exhaust system on it, no mufflers, out to these nice 4-inch tips, as you can see. Tucked it up in there nice and tight. It's got a true X pipe. Like I said, no mufflers. It does have the factory catch, so customer wants to rumble and probably wake up the dead. Should do a good job of that. Let's see what it sounds like. Definitely woke it up. Got that cold idle start. So it warms up a little bit. It's a little cold out today. It'll settle down a little bit.